डॉनल्ड तुमी स्ट्रीट प्रॉविडन्स स्टार्ट केलेलें केन्ना इनिशियली स्टार्ट
See, we
केलेलें
started State Providence in 2017,
2017
and now we have 10 homes. We have 26 fridges. We have 3 physiotherapy units. We do a lot of ration to poor people. So we do multiple projects.
ओके सो तुमकां तेन्ना 2017 जेन्ना स्टार्ट केलेलें पळय तेन्ना सो हें तुमचें कोण स्पॉन्सर करताले तुमकां तुमी ओन करताले वो गव्हर्मेंटूय तुमकां हेल्प
See,
करतालो
from that time we were small. In 2019 they gave us the first grant. 2020 they have been giving grants for this particular home. We had only few homes. Now the homes have increased because the demand has increased.
ओके
We had 4 homes till COVID time, 4 or 5 homes. Now we have put up homes in the last 2 years.
Okay.
So we also were not aware of the grants. Slowly working in the system, we came to know that there were grants available,
Okay.
which we are applying.
okay so what is the problem you are facing right now?
See, right now what we are facing is whatever money they are supposed to give, no, they should either give decently, they should give systematically, or they
Okay.
should give advance. Now, last year, Women and Child has given me advance, and this year they have not given anything. In fact, they are making me dance. She does not even know that she has given me advance.
Okay, so last year they gave you this
For one home. This year they have not given.
Okay, so why they are saying, why they are not
She's saying,
giving?
I don't know. Anything you ask her, I don't know.
So last time she was there.
She was there.
She was there,
So
so-
I told her, next time if you don't know, I will go. You come to the director's office.
Okay.
She doesn't enter director's office. That's the problem.
So now you met yesterday. You met the chief minister. What the chief
See,
minister
Chief
said?
Minister has been assured, and Chief Minister will surely look into the matter and close the matter. See, nobody will agree that you can look after somebody for 2,000. Whether he is the Chief Minister, whether he is the Health Minister, whether it is you, nobody is going to look after for 2,500 with a psychiatric
yeah,
patient.
yeah.
So there is nothing to be disappointed about. But she can't understand, na.
Okay,
We
so,
told her yesterday
so
about-
you are basically facing hurdle from the deputy director.
Only deputy director. Nobody in Goa will trouble me. Nobody. She threatened to call the police yesterday. We told her call. Police are going to come. Police have to take these 22 people and put in the police station. Will they put? You saw the condition of them. We didn't take out 4 ladies who were on the wheelchair. We kept 4 ladies inside. Then she cannot threaten like that. I'll take over your home. I'll call the police. I'm not giving. One day she told me I'm not giving you money. No, this scheme doesn't apply to you. I told you didn't give me in writing. No, we'll see afterward. Then I called him. दादाना घेऊन यो बरं बस म्हणाले अरे दादागिरी काय रे एक तुम्हीच चलयात नो
No, so now is there a deliberate attempt to trouble your this
See,
one NGO?
I am not going to comment on that at the moment. That you have to ask her. If there are so many departments supporting us,
Okay.
and I'm repeating, it is not Women and Child Department. It is the Deputy Director Admin of Women and Child who should clarify what exactly is troubling her. See, not only her. A lot of people tell me, तुम्ही पैसे जोडता मरे. आता म्हणे तू घे मरे, तुका कोण झाला घेणार काय? तू घरात चालू कर, तू NGO चालू कर, या गरीब लोकांक पळय आणि ग्रांट घे ना. पैसे करता म्हणजे कितें? फुकट चलयतले रे, वाऱ्यार हारे आमी.
So everybody needs money for doing.
That is in the mind.
Yeah,
See what
yeah.
happened. Government official thinks NGOs are making money. NGOs think the government is corrupt. So that when will that mind frame change?
So ultimately, when you run this homes, then only you understand. the
Correct. So we are telling people at least start one home. Then you will understand. See, we have 10. Next year we have 20. Our capacity will touch 500. Just now DYSP has called. Sir, there is one Goan lady. Please put in your room. Now come on, the mental मध्ये.
Okay.
So
Now the department doesn't have a problem. Only this lady,
Jyoti Desai.
Jyoti Desai
Yes.
have a. So do you think it is a personal something she have a problem, or as a department something she is doing?
Again I said, any government official thinks we are making money.
So this is a misconception.
I think, first also I thought government is corrupt, but I didn't see any corruption around. Nobody taking any commission from me. Everybody is moving the file because this is your other been. See, हांव एकूच सांगता मिडियाचेर. गेल्या फावटी सांगला आनी हो म्हाजो प्रिंसिपल. तूं म्हाका त्रास करीत, कोणूय म्हाका त्रास करीत. तो कोणूय आसूं, एक्टिविस्ट आसूं, सरकार आसूं, पुलीस आसूं, कोण हाडटले आनी दवरतले तुज्या घरा फुडल्यान. मागीर तूं म्हाका कितें कर. हांव घरान तांकां दवरचो ना आनी तूं म्हाका त्रास करतलो. हाडटलो आनी सोडटलो तुजे कोण त्रास करता न्हू तेंच्या फुड्यान हाडटलो. आतां उलय. कित्याक यू कॅनॉट trouble me and I cannot tell them to look after. Tuka problem we are having 140 CCTV cameras in all our homes and I'll show you. Just किती काय उलयना आमी मोबाईल काढतो बाबा. I will show you where the CCTV cameras are. No NGO will have 140 cameras running in all the homes. Shara home, Kavalasi men's home, Porvari home, our office, Kavalasi women's home, Clara Southern, Giri 2, Giri 1, Cape up, Cape down, Asnara. Everywhere there are CCTVs. कोणाकडे हा CCTV?
So you can monitor that.
Everything is monitored.
Okay. And how
Till today, no police official, I have put in my report, no police official has visited our home to find out whether these people are genuinely homeless or not. सगळे हांव कोत्तलो for 2,500 rupees. अरे एक सिस्टम आसूंक जाय न्हू. See, I am again telling, we have networked half the system. We need to network the other half of the system, which we will discuss tomorrow. As of now, you need to ask Jyoti Desai, Baba, what is your problem? That's all. If she's got a problem, let us speak it out. If she doesn't have a problem, close the matter. If she wants to carry forward, let her carry forward. If they want to take some revenge on me, let them take. I am prepared for anything and everything. म्हाका काय घेवन बसपाची गरज ना. कितें करतले मॅक्सिमम केस फायल करतली, कितें ट्विस्ट करतले, कितें फॉल्स पुरो न्हू. कितें घालतलो भायर 180 लोकांक.
no, but don't you think that it will affect these persons whom you are taking care of?
See, I am doing a service. This is not my life. I am not committed to look after them till I die and destroy my life, my health, my family. आमकां मरे हॉलिडे सुद्दां वचोंक जायना. आतां म्हाजी भुरगीं धाकटी आहा. मेवटा कितें आमकां सांग? 4 आणे. आमकां मेवं जाल्यार 25 रुपया. तूं तो 4 आणे तो दिताय आनी 25 रुपया आमकां मेवना जाल्यार कितें फायदो? So we'll wait to see. See, this problem happened 3 years back. It got sorted out. I म्हणल्यार 8 टान सोडटलो घरा. And yesterday I told her, madam, next time I'll bring them to your house. And not 20, I'll bring all. And you will not be able to do anything. पळय आमची वाट तूं क्रॉस करनाका, आमी तुजी वाट. आमी बाबा येता बाबा मॅडम फायल मूव कर, हें कर, तें कर सांगता न्हू. आमी काय तूं आतां फायलूच मूव करिनाय. काल ती सांगता वी मूव द फायल मेजर आसली मोस्ट अर्जंट.
Everything is held up because of
Jyoti Desai. Let her clarify. You go and ask her, no? Why this file has not moved and how you are giving 2,500 rupees for one mental challenged person, one person with disability, that too after 3 years. And this social welfare department is giving money every 6 months advance. They are giving fee. We are having 2 physiotherapists funded by them. We are having almost 2 shelter homes for men funded by them. Money is small, but they are giving with respect. They are giving with decency. They are giving with kindness.
So it is only about one person.
One person who has caused me to get upset. That should not have happened. And we requested her. I am requesting her last 1.5 years, and she is taking it lightly. Now she has to give me my money. Otherwise, 40 people will go back on Thursday to her office. And this time I will not bring them out. Yesterday I brought them with pamper. On Thursday I will not bring them with pamper. तू पुलिसेक आपय कोणाक आपय हांव व्हरचोच ना म्हणजे व्हरचोच ना. वी आर पेईंग इन द होम्स 15,000-18,000 रेंट. तेजे पयशे भरतलो कोण? तेजे पयशे भरतलो कोण? तूं 6,000 तूं सांगता 6,000 रुपयान 20 जाणांक पळय. खंयचो जागो तुका मेळटलो? तुका अक्कल ना? तुमी शिकलेले मनीस न्हू. सगळे आमी सांगपाचे, सगळे आमी अरे दे वॉन्ट अस टू लिक देअर फीट. वाय शूड आय लिक देअर फीट? वाय शूड आय लिक एनीबडीज फीट? I am not politically connected. I am not party-wise connected. I am doing only this as a commitment, as a passion. I'll go into something else. There are enough of people to look after, ready to pay you 25, 30, 40, 50,000 a month. If you are going to push me there, I'll go. I drive one small car. We live simple life. Allah, आमकां कितें मेळटलें ना पयशे? तेंगल्या फाटीं कितें दावो? कोण करा?
Sir, how many doctors are in your NGO and caretakers?
The government is giving us good support. So everything we are using the government hospital. If we use the private doctors, we have to buy the medicine. If we use the government, it is free. See, because we are taking only from the hospital, na. We are not. Who will pay the private?
So all the support is you are getting from.
I have no trouble at all.
So you are getting.
Till Deepali was sitting there. Deepali Naik was sitting there. My things were moving. 6 months ago, Deepali went, got transferred. This director Mrs. Sangeeta Parab said, Baba, I'm coming, you give me 6 months. I gave her exactly 6 months. 6 months got over 15th of December. And this is the problem. How I'll blame her? If you are strangulating all the people who come there, if you are troubling everybody in the department, how people will work? Everybody is stressed, Mare. Who is not stressed in the world today? You are not stressed?
Everybody is.
If that stress you add more stress, you don't know what you are talking. Sometimes I am also stressed because I am fed up with these people. अरे पैसे नका रे.